Today, me and my dad are going to prank my brother.
Okay, set it up, buddy. Don't lean on the garbage can. Now, are you sure that, can you see the fence?
Yeah.
Okay. Now make sure you say it loud.
Look at my new trick I made up.
What's up, buddy? Walking home from school.
Is it cold?
Hey, what about me?